Gusty winds and dry grass can be a recipe for fires. ABC 7 News reporter Ryan Curry spoke with CAL FIRE, who is preparing for a potentially busy weekend.
The sounds of bugs chirping and the wind blowing, but the latter of the two could be dangerous the rest of the weekend.
We are expecting critical fire weather conditions, either ongoing or expected within the next 24 hours.
The National Weather Service has issued its first red flag warning of the year. The warning is up for parts of Solano County all the way up to Redding.
Within that window of time, expect very low relative humidities, gusty winds, and very dry fuels. Windy
and dry. Two things putting CAL FIRE on high alert for possible wildfires.
Anything that really starts will take off. Those fuels are, 1 hour fuels, which light flashy, and they'll move quite rapidly.
Look at these weeds blowing in the wind. This is exactly what CAL FIRE and the National Weather Service are worried about. One spark could ignite this field, and with these winds, that fire could spread fast. Already, we have seen multiple grass fires. The Corral fire earlier this month burned almost 15,000 acres. Firefighters back then said dry hills mixed with strong winds caused that fire to spread quickly. Those fears are back this weekend.
This is pretty predicted with the grass crop that we've seen from the rains, the later rains this winter. We had an above average season of rainfall, which means that our grass crops are just going to grow higher.
It means residents living near these dry hills need to be ready in case they need to evacuate. James Cohen knows a lot about that. He once lived near Napa when a wildfire forced him out.
We had to rehome ourselves temporarily, and there wasn't anything that we could do other than that.
This weekend, he's ready for what can happen.
I keep supplies with me, like first aid kits, backpacks ready to go, things like that, but I don't think there's really much you can do to prepare for a fire at that scale.
All he can do now is hope a fire does not break out near his house. In Benicia, Ryan Curry, ABC 7 News.